Hello everyone, it's Jose. For the JLP tip of the day for September 26th, it's about making our lives easier. I have a tip that I've been using for about a year or so, and I believe it's made my life easier, which is why I wanted to share with you. Every time I have a task that comes in, whether it's at work or at home, I prioritize it with a number 1, a number 2, or a number 3. Now, a number 1 is something that's urgent, and then I get done within 48 hours or less. A number 2 is something that I can do within a week. A number 3 is something that's not that important, but instead it usually falls off the list, or I try to delegate that. This has really actually freed up some time for me so that I can spend time doing things that I always want to do and not just have to do. So I hope this tip can help you as well. Thanks everyone, and have a great day.